Exercise 6.1 question number 4. In figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Let's write the given informations. Informations given in the question are DF parallel to AE and DE parallel to AC, and we have to prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. In the given figure, DF is parallel to AE. So in triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. So applying basic proportionality theorem in triangle ABE, where DF is parallel to AE, we can write BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. And DE is parallel to AC. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. So again, by applying BPT, we can write BE by EC is equal to BD by DA. So BF by FE is equal to BD by DA, and BE by EC is also BD by DA. Therefore, we can write BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. In triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Therefore, using basic proportionality theorem BPT, we have BF by FE, BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. Let it be number 1. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. So therefore, using basic proportionality theorem BPT, in triangle ABC, where DE is parallel to AC, we can write BE by EC equal to BD by DA, and let it be number 2. Now see equations 1 and 2. Right side BD by DA, BD by DA. Right side of both the equations 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, left sides also will be equal, because things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Euclid's axiom. So therefore, from 1 and 2, we get BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Hence proved.